Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we have a Runnn glitch today at Dollar General. So go ahead, put on your running shoes, grab your keys, grab your phone, grab your coupons, because I'm going to tell you all about this deal. But before we get into it, please make sure that you are subscribed, hit that thumbs up button because it is a free way that you can help your girl out, and leave me a comment down below, and please share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, good morning everybody. Hopefully y'all are seeing this super early in the morning. Hopefully uploading this video goes smoothly and all of that good stuff. It's like 4 a.m. here. I only got a couple of hours of sleep, but I had to get up and check and let y'all know about this deal because it's going to be a Runnn deal. It is a Runnn deal, okay? But the stores haven't opened up yet, so you can't necessarily run to the store. But hopefully y'all will see this video before the stores open up, and y'all can be there first thing to get in on this deal. If you're watching it after your stores have already opened, you need to put on your shoes, grab your coupons, grab your phone, and run out the door, okay? You may need to stop and grab a couple of newspapers on the way, but either way, get your shoes on, your keys, your phone, all that stuff, and start heading out the door, and I'm going to walk y'all through this deal, okay? So, I told you all we have this Dawn Power Wash deal in yesterday's videos. Yesterday, I uploaded two videos. So, hopefully y'all already kind of know what I'm going to be talking about. But in both of those videos, I'm doing giveaways. So, once you're done doing your little Runnn deal here that I'm going to tell you all about, you need to come back, check out the pinned comment of this video, and click on those videos and go enter to win those giveaways. Two giveaways. Two separate videos, okay? So come back and check out those once you're done with this deal. So we have Dawn Power Wash. You want to pick up a spray, one with the spray top, and one of the refills, okay? In those videos yesterday, we went over the Dollar General ad. We also went over the P&G insert. This P&G insert, these insert coupons come out in today's Sunday newspaper. But in that video, I'm also going to be giving away some P&G inserts, so you definitely want to make sure that you don't miss out on that, okay? So, here we have the Dollar General ad. Yesterday, I told you all, we have this little deal right here. Buy one Dawn Power Wash for $4.95. That is this one right here with the spray top. And get one free of the Dawn Power Wash refills. These are normally $3.95. That one is this one right here. So, you want to pick up both of these products. And this little deal right here, I told y'all I wasn't sure if this was going to be a sale or if they meant this to be a digital coupon. So, got it this morning, checked. It is, in fact, a sale, okay? So, what that means is that in our little lovely P&G insert over here, in the very back last page, we have this awesome insert coupon for buy one Dawn Power Wash and get the refill for free, up to $3.99 off. Now, Dollar General also gave us a digital coupon for buy one, get one for free, and it's $3.99 off of both of these products. Now, it's still too early for me to add anything into the app to see if we could possibly pick up two of the refills or two of the power washes, because I know some of y'all's stores are just going to have the refills or just the sprays. In fact, that's what mine have left. They only have the refills left. So I'm going to have to go to a different store this morning. But anyways, it's still too early for me to add those in, to scan these guys in right here and see if we can do that. But by the time I get this video uploaded, I can do that. So I will leave it in the pinned comment down below if that happens, okay? If there's any updates to this glitch here in an hour or so, I will leave it in the pinned comment. So check the comments of this video before you go to the store. All right. So with this insert coupon, if you have these insert coupons and you want to do this deal, pick up the Dawn Power Wash with the spray top for $4.95. Ring that one up first. Pick up the refill, scan that one second. Use your insert coupon. It's going to take off $3.99. Okay? That's going to leave you paying let me check my calculator here, make sure I don't get it wrong. 96 cents for two. Okay? 96 cents for two. If you ring up the refill first, it's just going to come out 4 cents more, which isn't a big deal. But hey, if we can save an extra 4 cents, why not do it? So ring up the spray bottle first, then the refill, then use this insert coupon. You're going to pay 96 cents, guys. 96 cents for 2. This is like $9 worth of product. $8.90 worth of products right here. All right. And this stuff is awesome. Awesome. All right. So that's what you do with your insert coupons. With the digital coupon, okay, that digital coupon is for $3.99 off too, so you don't even have to worry about it. Pick up this one and pick up this one. That's going to put you at $8.90. Then that sale is going to come off. It's going to take off the $3.95. Then the $3.99 off 2 digital coupon will come off. And again, that's going to leave you paying 96 cents for 2. All right, so I'm going to pop up a couple of screenshots for y'all, but don't forget, if you have the insert coupons, ring up the Dawn Power Wash first. You'll get that extra 4 cents off. If you end up ringing up the refill first, or something gets, mixed up at the register, you're going to end up paying $1 for 2, which still isn't a bad deal. You can't go wrong with this deal. Now, with all that being said, this is a Runnn glitch because I don't think that Dollar General meant to put this deal as a sale in the ad. I think they meant this for this to just be the digital coupon. So I'm not sure how they're going to try to fix it. We have had this happen in the past where we got the sale plus a buy one get one free coupon. In the past, they pulled the coupon, but I'm not sure what they're going to do here because I think they meant for this to be a coupon, not a sale. So if they stop this sale, we still have our digital coupons. It's still a good deal, just not as good of a deal. If they pull the digital coupon, we are still good to go on this deal because we have those insert coupons, right? So make sure that you're picking up some newspapers today because today is the day to pick up these inserts. You can take a chance and wait and see if your Dollar Tree has them available tomorrow. But I will go ahead and pick some up because this is going to be a hot deal. And these things are going to fly off the shelves today, guys. I don't even think that they're going to be there on Saturday. We'll have to wait and see. But I will definitely be going out and checking out my stores today and seeing what I can get. So, all right, guys, we are at 7 minutes. I'm going to pop up a couple of screenshots for y'all so y'all can run out the door. Good luck, guys. I hope y'all score. And if you do, please come back and let me know how it went. All right, guys, so here's the screenshots for you all. Again, make sure that you clip that $3.99 off 2 digital coupon to your account. Here's a picture of it on the screen. And here's a picture with the insert coupon. And just as a quick reminder, don't forget to scan that Power Wash spray bottle for $4.95. Make sure that you scan that one first so that you can get the full $3.99 to come off at the register with the new P&G insert coupon. That's going to leave you paying 96 cents for 2, making those just 48 cents each. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and I wish each and every one of you good luck finding this deal. Now, before you run, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. Also, it's a good idea to turn on those notifications so anytime we have a new Runnn glitch, you will be one of the first to know, alright? Also, please hit that thumbs up button, leave me a comment down below, and also share the video. All 3 of those things are just a little way that you can help your girl out. And even if you just share the video to yourself in a text message or an email, just click that share button and share it to yourself. You know what? All of it works and all of it helps me out. So please do all 4 of those things and don't forget to come back and let me know if you scored. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. Good luck, be safe out there, and I will see you on the next one.